To begin with, San Sebastian is already one of our power elite teams here in the Shakey's P-League. But the question is, dahil ba birthday ni Clint Malaso ang kanilang coach?
I will answer with a yes.
Kaya ba sila may extra extra toppings ang kanilang pizza?
That's why may extra 6 points dyan sa attack points na yan.
Iba,
dahil birthday ni Coach Clint.
Diba? Baka kinausap ang pinakamalapit na branch ng Shakey's, San Juan or Green
Ay,
Hills.
sama kami dyan.
Oo nga naman. In the meantime, we're back in action. Second set, first set taken by the Lady Stags. Come from behind in a way.
Oh, Jembo Lee in a hurry going for
That's
the
it.
second ball. Ariel Patnongon on the middle gets that point. Ito yung si Ariel, kay Ariel, kailangan talaga ma-develop may
Siya ay
timing.
guest player pala siya.
Yes.
Saan magaling si Ariel? Ano ang balita dyan?
Hopefully, no? Makakalaro yata uli sa Ateneo, but yet to confirm that.
So that's why pinasok as guest player muna.
Kasi nga, again, going back to your rule na sinabi mo kanina na kailangan nasa UAAP lang.
Nasa may eligibility ng collegiate.
Yep.
In the meantime, one apiece here. I like this. Magkapatid niya yung Crisostomo. Biglang tumingin sabay
Iisa ba hulmahan? Iisa lang?
Kulat ako sabay tumingin ng profile.
Isang grade 6 at isang grade 5 ba to?
Row 1. May iwan after class. Oh, walis. Alam mo kaya lovable si Jeng? Kahit binugbog sa neta, nakangiti pa rin.
Oo, nakangiti pa rin. And you would really feel na enjoy niya yung volleyball. Tapos ang galing-galing niya. Kaya yung mga tao rin umahanga siguro sa kanya dahil dun sa attitude niya. And you never say die, di ba? Lagi kalaban.
Oo. Although struggle at San Sebastian ng matagal, hindi manalo. Even ilang balik na si Jeng Boli.
Naaawa na. Umabot na dun
Sumalubong sila sa kalakasan ng ng UST rin no? Yun ang nemesis nila rito.
Yun ang umpisa, of course, of Lasal.
Also, definitely. Oh, well done. Malyari always. Yes. Alam mo, this big tall girl. Lakas ng pumalo talaga.
You know what I like about dun sa pagko-coach ni Coach Roger, of course si Coach Clint would have the same type of coaching. Makikita mo yung transition ng mga bago na sa umpisa makikita pa natin nagpupulot ng bola. Tapos after 2-3 years, nandun na sa first starter na. Yung development tuloy-tuloy. And that goes also for Ateneo. Nung napunta si Coach Roger dyan, ganun din ang nangyari.
Yes, exactly. He had a core of players to work with.
Tapos nagsisimula talaga sila sa very basic, although potential silang lahat, pero slowly nagdi-develop niya through the years.
Roses pummeling that ball. It was a little too strong. Lumabas ang bola. 5-2. It's a race to 25 each set. Best of 5 sets, but the 5th set, if it's necessary, it's a race to 15. What happened there, Mosey?
Ayun, medyo miss-set yun na hindi alam ni Sue ano rin yun, That's why nagulat siya. It was close to the net. It was just above the setter.
Open, close, quick.
Mahirap paluin nandun na sa taas ng setter. Liza giving that ace to Ateneo.
I think she read beautifully the fact that May Crisostomo and Barbano were out of position. They still are actually right now. Let's see.
That's why dun pa rin
exactly.
Eliza. Oh, and Jembo Lee hit her head.
Hindi naman, I hope she didn't hit the table there.
O medyo sa kanto yata.
Let's see if we can find time later for Rina to give a report. She's looking at the situation muna. Let's see what happened. Mosey, tingnan natin dito.
Ayan ang masakit kasi medyo dun sa kanto.
Well-loved talaga itong type player. I like